Hi and welcome. It's Megan here. Today, it's a moving vlog. We're moving. I'm actually about to head to go pick up my key in literally like 10 minutes. And I just got my drink from Starbucks. Let me show it to you guys. Okay, I just got an iced shaken espresso with vanilla and oat milk. And then I also got the bacon and Gruyere egg bites. You know. So yeah, we're moving today. So if you like this type of videos, definitely give this a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. So let's get into it. Guys, I got my key. So we're about to do a quick walkthrough. I just want to make sure everything's clean. So let's do that now. You walk in, you have this little entryway. I got my coat closet. It looks clean. I'll walk a little bit down. Turn, and here is my master bedroom. It's got a window, ooh, closet, ooh, toilet's clean. That's clean, looks like something was just moved. And then we've got a window. Here's my closet. The light works. Awesome, everything looks clean. Gotta get that fire alarm going. Okay, then we turn in here. It's my dining room area, the kitchen. Everything looks really good. This little nook area, pantry, and it's clean. And then here's my laundry room area. And my second pantry for extra storage. Okay, here's my living room area. I'm gonna go out in the balcony in just a second. Okay, here's my second bedroom, which I wanna make like my guest bedroom and office. It's clean. They just did the carpet. There's a closet, it's clean. Wonderful. And then the guest bathroom, it looks good. And the linen closet. So, everything looks good to go. Let me go out on the balcony. Balcony. It's pretty large. It's nice. So the movers just got everything. I'm just gonna show you a quick overview. So here they got my couch, all my stuff. I'm taking all that stuff. That's like my food and different things. There's my mom over there being extra, of course. And let's walk. My bedroom, everything's out. I'm trying to get rid of that headboard and everything's out over here. And there's actually still stuff in the bathroom because, yeah. Here's my moving truck, guys. So it's almost done. Woohoo! So have left and I'm headed to my other apartment, and I guess something happened because I'm literally a mile and a half from my apartment and traffic came to a complete stop, and it's saying it's gonna take 20 minutes to get there. And I'm a mile and a half away, so.
Wish we had some snacks.
I know, right? I'm stressed. It'll be fine, I guess. It'll be fine. And my movers are a little bit behind me, so.
So we think.
So, yeah. Traffic. I'm done. It took them about 4 hours. So I'm super excited. There was the traffic hiccup, but we're good. Everything's in here. So here's all my stuff just in the living room. And there's a little bit of stuff throughout the rooms. But I'm super excited. I'm finally moved in. Yay. gosh, guys. So I just went to the charter place to Charter Spectrum. Here it is. Just to pick up like my internet box and stuff. And off Montclair Road in Birmingham. If you're familiar, you know where I am. Why?
There's the BB
Did they
He's
find...
literally walking this way.
Why? So apparently someone was shot or something. So we're... It's just crazy because I didn't think to... I just wasn't expecting it. So they're roping stuff off behind us at the Walmart across the street. So it's just really sad for their family. So I'm not sure where we're going, but we were gonna eat over here, but we may go somewhere else. Just be careful out there. Hey guys, sorry for the bad lighting at this. We're taking stuff out of the kitchen box and I'm just unpacking. So this is what I'm doing.
Meg, what you doing? What you doing?
I'm tired.
Y'all, she's out weeding dishes. Yeah.
I did one whole box. What do you mean?
I did a box.
Fine, I did a whole bag. Like, I put the bed up.
She did. And look at her. She already using it. Good job, Meg. Good job. I'm loving the 2-piece set. Where'd it come from?
Oh, this is from H&M. I'll try to have it linked down below.
Awesome.
It's really comfy.
I don't think I'm recording.
It's definitely recording.
Okay.
We got it. I'm so tired. Oh, shit. I'm gasping. Those stairs, guys, it's no joke. Okay, guys, so we just took all that stuff. This was like the leftover stuff from my apartment.
What the hell? Did it get 7 o'clock?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Like Mom said, it's 7 o'clock and we're about to go to Target to get like the little putty to fill the holes in the wall at the other apartment, and then I'll get my kitchen stuff and clean. We could not get this headboard in here to save our lives, so Mom is back there holding it and she's holding the trunk closed, and we're taking it to her house because she lives like really close, and then we're just gonna put it in her garage and hopefully we can find an Allen wrench that fits, because we couldn't find one that fits. It's been a hot mess. We've been trying to get this in the car for like an hour to take it to Love Lady, so
It's fine.
keep Allen wrenches with you at all times. Really? Yeah, see, so this is the headboard I'm talking about, you guys. Like,
open the trunk now.
yeah, you can open the trunk. Ta-da! Like the trunk was open. Like, guys, do you see this?
It really wasn't that uncomfortable, just so you know.
Thanks, Mom. I appreciate you. Why? Oh, there's so many people at this Taco Bell. Like, we just wanted to stop to get like a snack so we can finish cleaning and stuff like that. We were taking a break and we just figured Taco Bell would be quick.
Oh, we could get the Wild Strawberry Breeze and pour vodka in it. Yes.
I have no vodka.
I do.
We're going to my house.
I live right down the street. We can make a detour.
We just left our
What
house.
y'all think?
No, we're not going to get vodka. We were just at your
You
house.
had to cut that out because my head look big as fuck.
Oh my god. Guys, we're sitting in the car eating tacos because I don't have any furniture in there. So, yeah. Okay, I got all my work stuff set up, so now I'm all situated to work tomorrow. So, super excited about that. Hey guys, so I haven't like sat and chatted with you guys about everything that's happened these last couple of days, but it's been like a kind of stressful move for me. Nothing like super bad happened. Basically, yesterday I was up, or this morning I was up until 5 o'clock almost in the morning trying to set up the internet with Spectrum Charter, and you know, there were like issues, I guess, with something not coming in the box, or that when I called and talked to people, they were saying that the cord was supposed to already be in my apartment, and so they were gonna have to send a technician out to like fix the wiring and stuff. But then, you know, I thought about it more and I talked with my mom, and we realized that they were referring to like just the cable cord. So I bought that from Target today, and thank goodness my internet works now, because I was just like, I can't live without internet, okay? Because I have to work tomorrow at 8. I can't live without internet, you know? And then, you know, I told you guys about the traffic yesterday with the movers when they were, not yesterday, the other day, the traffic with the movers. I ended up only having to pay for 4.5 hours for moving, so that was fine. If you include like their drive time from when they met me at my place, and then the drive time when they made it back to their, you know, thing. And I also was able to use a Groupon. So I used American Eagle Movers in Birmingham, Alabama. So I highly recommend, if you live in Birmingham or you're moving to Birmingham, have a Groupon, and I saved around, I think, $150. So highly recommend. They took great care of my stuff, so really excited about that. But there's a few things that are damaged here in the apartment, so I'll have to talk with the apartment people about getting things fixed, because it was newly renovated, so I don't know if the people who renovated it damaged some of the stuff. But there's just been a few hiccups in the move. Nothing like crazy bad. Like, now that the internet is fixed, like I was super worried about that, because I was like, I'm gonna have to figure out like possibly take a PTO day, and so I'm glad that was fixed. But yeah, I'm about to go to Chipotle, because this wouldn't be a Megan vlog if I didn't go to Chipotle. No, I'm just kidding. I'm gonna go to Chipotle just because I don't really have any food and I just want something quick. That's really why I go there, because I like it and it's quick. So I'm gonna go there, and then when I come back, I'll probably just relax a little bit longer, watch maybe some TV, like something on Netflix, and then I'm gonna start chiseling away at this little pile of stuff. So some of this is like bathroom stuff, some of it's kitchen stuff, some of it's just random stuff and clothes. So I'm gonna chisel away at putting some of that stuff away, and I'm gonna set up my Keurig, and then that's pretty much it. I'm not gonna do too much today. I'll work on continuing to unpack later. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys an update, because it's been like a stressful kind of few days for me, because I like to blow things out of proportion and stress myself out. So yeah, I've made this way more stressful than it really had to be. So I'm just trying to learn how to like find inner peace and just chill out. Okay guys, so I'm back. I got Chipotle. Since I was finally able to get my internet set up, I'm probably gonna just eat this and watch It's a little warm. I get to eat this, and I'll probably watch Netflix. I recently started watching Good Girls on Netflix, so I'll watch that. But while I was out at Chipotle, my dad called me and he said he was able to find like an appointment time. So I'm gonna get my vaccine on Tuesday, so that's cool. And then my mom was able to get her an appointment time somewhere around here too, so that's exciting. Oh, I forgot I got chips and queso because it was free because my birthday was a couple of days ago, so I had a coupon. And there's my bowl. Oh wait, my internet's not working because I didn't set it up on this computer. Oh well. So is it Tuesday? I don't know, I think it's Tuesday, but I'm just about to return all my stuff to my old apartment and do a quick walkthrough to make sure everything's good before I turn in my key. So I'm heading there now. I'm actually on my lunch break, so I'm gonna go do that. And then when I come back, I'm gonna turn in this inspection report thing to my apartment now so they know what all was damaged when I came in or what was clean and all that good stuff so they can have it on file. And yeah, pretty busy lunch break. That'll probably take the whole time, and then I'll probably just eat like the last few minutes of it or eat like once I clock back in. So let's go. Hi, this is Editing Megan from the future. As you can see, here's my computer. I am just hopping in because I realized I didn't film after the last clip that you guys saw. So I turned in my key, I got everything situated. I ended up having to park illegally to get into my building and stuff to turn the key in. So that's probably why I forgot to update. And then once I got back, it was immediately time for me to clock back in for work. So I didn't even have time to eat and stuff. So yeah, that was pretty much the end. I'm officially moved in and the stressful move is now over. So I'm gonna start back like vlogging and getting into it. I'm trying to be a lot more consistent this time. So if you have any like requests, you wanna see certain videos, let me know down in the comments below. I'll try to do them or incorporate a piece of it into a vlog if it's something that I don't like normally do. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next one. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.